Do you want to earn money from YouTube? Wondering how to turn your creative passion into a profitable venture? Let's dive into the world of YouTube monetization, a realm where creativity meets commerce. The journey begins by creating your very own YouTube channel, followed by producing captivating content, and then nurturing a loyal audience. These are the pillars that hold the potential of transforming your passion into a revenue stream. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the step-by-step process to start earning money from YouTube. Step 1 is setting up your YouTube channel, but you don't just stop there. Setting up your channel is indeed the first stride towards YouTube monetization. However, it doesn't end there. Think of your channel as your virtual storefront. You need to make it engaging, presentable, and representative of your brand. Customize your channel art, write a compelling description, and make sure your content is organized in a manner that's easy for your audience to navigate. Once your channel is all spruced up, it's time to focus on content production. Content is king, as they say, and it couldn't be more true in the world of YouTube. Your content needs to be engaging, unique, and consistent. Viewers should come back for more, and that's how you build an audience. Building an audience, though, is not an overnight job. It requires patience, perseverance, and a lot of hard work. Interact with your audience, respond to comments, and create a sense of community. Remember, it's not just about the number of viewers, but also about the quality of your engagement with them. Now, let's talk about YouTube's eligibility requirements for monetization. These requirements are set to ensure that the content produced is of high quality and adheres to YouTube's community guidelines. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Yes, it might seem a bit daunting, but remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. Once you meet these eligibility requirements, the next step is to set up an AdSense account. AdSense is Google's advertising platform that will allow you to earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. It's pretty straightforward to set up, and there are plenty of resources available to guide you through the process. Lastly, you need to apply for YouTube's partner program. This program allows you to earn money from ads, channel memberships, and YouTube premium revenue. Once you're part of the partner program, you can start earning money from your videos. Once you've met these requirements and applied for monetization, you're ready for the next step. Now that you're a part of the YouTube partner program, it's time to start earning. As a partner, you have multiple revenue streams at your disposal. First up, ad revenue. This is generated from display, overlay, and video ads. Next, channel memberships. Your fans can choose to pay a monthly fee for perks like badges, new emojis, and exclusive live chats. Then there's the merchandise shelf. Here you can showcase your official branded merchandise right on your video page. And let's not forget Super Chat and Super Stickers, where your fans can pay to have their comments stand out in your live chat streams. Lastly, YouTube Premium revenue. This comes from subscribers who pay a monthly fee for an ad-free YouTube experience. All these avenues are fantastic, but remember that your earning potential is directly linked to your audience size and engagement. The importance of producing engaging content and growing your audience cannot be overstated. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistency and quality. Keep producing content your audience loves, and the revenue will follow. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by setting up a channel, then dove into producing engaging content to attract an audience. We covered the importance of meeting YouTube's eligibility requirements before you apply for monetization. And finally, we explored the exciting world of earning revenue through your channel. Remember, it's about patience, persistence, and teaming creativity. With these in your arsenal, you too can start earning money from YouTube. The journey starts now.